Hey everybody, this is Chris Nyan with EVready Energy. And what I want to talk to you about is 2035 planning. 99% of charging investments today are treated as a single project when the reality is current planning will avoid significant future reinvestment that would be needed at your site. EVready offers a calculator. What does it do? It defines charger need. It aligns charger need with funding opportunities in your region so that you can make all your investments when it costs the least for you. And then we create a design for your project so that you can be ready for your future needs without having to reinvest in new equipment or participate in an extensive utility process timeline. The last thing is we want to make sure that you're prepared for new revenue streams that you'll be able to tap through in the future. This is a planning tool that has been used by automotive manufacturers across the United States. We want to provide this to you for free. So in order to review, schedule a consultation with EVready Energy, and we'll go through this planning tool and help you build a plan that lasts the next decade.